Welcome back to another Hill Vending video. In today's video, we're gonna go over our warehouse order. We just got in 6 pallets from Sam's Club. We went and picked them up. Now Big Mike and Brian are checking the order off. We're putting it away and we're keeping our inventory tight. In today's video, you're gonna hear from Big Mike, you see right there.
Big Mike, Wolfpack.
Oh, thank you, and Brian. Mike is my brother-in-law and Brian is my biological brother. So the wolf pack is strong, and stay tuned.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Mike with Hill Vending. Today we got some inventory in. We're just checking it off, making sure it's all here. You can change your inventory around as far as what's selling, what's not. We have a base order we normally take, but as I mentioned, you can kind of manipulate that and change it around according to what's selling. Another thing that we do here at Hill Vending is because we have so much product, we have to rotate our inventory. So when we get stuff in, it's really important to check dates and put the newest stuff down at the bottom. So we use the oldest stuff first.
Hey guys, I'm Alex with Hill Vending. It's Wednesday, so Wednesdays are usually our pallet days. Here we have 6 new pallets we got in today. We already finished our route today, so now we're breaking down our pallets and putting everything in its assigned position. Mike, as you can see, is breaking it down right now, checking off his list. We're going to be rotating our product as well, making sure we get the freshest stuff is actually used last, and we use the old stuff first, right? Okay. Now here we can see our drinks, guys. I handle drinks here at Hill Vending. Mike handles the food items. And we have a pallet. We try to keep a pallet for each of our drink options. That way in the morning we can get it, load it on the truck. And then on Wednesdays, we resupply, okay? Quick sneak peek into the life.
All right, there you have it. That's a Warehouse Wednesday video. Total bill was right around $5,000 for all these 6 pallets. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. Share the video if you don't mind. Hit subscribe. And as always, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.